Ruling by a district court judge could overturn all the planning that's gone into what was expected to be a 67-67 tie in the Minnesota House.
That's because the judge ruled a DFL candidate will not be allowed to take office because he didn't live in the district where he was elected. Chief political reporter Tom Hauser is here to tell us that this could mean Republicans will at least temporarily control the Minnesota House.
Yeah, Lindsay, if this ruling holds up on appeal, Republicans would have a 67-66 majority, at least temporarily, because a special election would not happen until after the legislature convenes January 14th. Republicans could elect a House Speaker and name Republicans to chair all committees.
C-15 has the motion.
If you were amazed by the anger and acrimony on the House floor at the end of the last legislative session, stand by for a potential repeat. A Ramsey County judge ruled the DFL winning candidate in District 40B, Curtis Johnson, is disqualified from taking the oath of office and serving in the House. The judge ruling after a trial, Mr. Johnson's failure to maintain a residence in District 40B for the entire 6 months prior to the general election was a deliberate, serious, and material violation of Minnesota election law, and he is not eligible to represent the people of 40B. That could give Republicans a temporary one-vote majority. In a statement, House Republican leader Lisa Demuth said, quote, "This is a clear reminder that laws matter and integrity in the election process is non-negotiable." DFL House Speaker Melissa Hortman countered by saying, quote, "A residency issue must be resolved before an election and is not an appropriate basis for an election contest. We will appeal to the Minnesota Supreme Court and expect the Supreme Court will dismiss the case."
I'm very disappointed that our party has not vetted this candidate better. They should have.
Former DFL Senator Ember Reichgott-Young and Republican analyst Brian McClung say repercussions from this ruling could be immense.
Republicans will have what's called an organizational majority. So with that 67-66 margin, Republicans can elect the Speaker of House, and then the Speaker can determine the makeup of committees, which bills get heard.
It's going to be 67-66, and that means the Republicans will have the majority during that temporary time of the special election, and that can create a lot of chaos.
Now, it also appears if Demuth is elected Speaker, she could remain in that position even if a Democrat wins the special election to restore the 67-67 tie. That is a heavily DFL district. And that is because it appears it would take 68 votes to vacate the speakership. All of this, of course, is hypothetical, pending an appeal of the court ruling to the Minnesota Supreme Court. Lindsay?
All right. Well, Tom, thank you. We'll keep you updated, of course.